Let's solve one previous question of context-free grammar. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 2, question number 42. Consider a context-free grammar G with the following three rules: S derive AS, S derive AS, BS, S derive C. Let W belongs to L of G. Let N of AW, N of BW and N of CW denotes the number of time A, B, C occurs in W respectively. Which of the following statements is or are true, and 4 options are given. So first analyze this grammar, which strings it will generate. It will generate C, S derive C, then from S we can derive AS, from S C, then from S we can derive AS, again A, S, from S, C. So any number of A followed by C, then S derive A, S, B, S, from S, C, from this S, C. So A, C, B, C, then S derive A, S, B, S. From this S we can derive A, S. Now from this S, C. Then from this S again we can derive A, S, B, S. Then from S, C, from S, C. So from L we can generate strings like C, AC, ASC, ACBC, AAC, BAAC, ACB, AAC, BC. Let's check all the option. Option A, number of A in W is greater than number of B in W. This is false. Let's take this example ACBC. Here number of A equals to number of B. Both are 1, right? Here it's written it should be greater than. Not always greater than, it may equal, right? That's why option A is false. Next option B, number of A in W is greater than number of C in W minus 2. Let's take an example. Let for ACBC, so number of A equals to 1 and number of C is 2. So 2 minus 2, it's 0, 1 is greater than 0. Now let's take this string. Here number of A equals to 1, 2, 3 and number of C equals to 1, 2, 3. So 3 is greater than 3 minus 2. You can take any string, arbitrarily any string. Always number of A will be greater than number of C minus 2. Now for this example, number of A equals to 4, number of C equals to 2. So 4 is greater than 2 minus 2. It's 0. Next option C, number of C equals to number of B plus 1. Take this example, number of C equals to 2, number of B equals to 1 plus 1. 2 equals to 1 plus 1. This is true. Let's take another example. Here number of C equals to 1, 2 and number of B equals to 1. So 1 plus 1. So take any example, number of C equals to number of B plus 1. Next option D, number of C in W equals to number of B in W multiplication 2. Let's take an example. In SC, number of C equals to 1 whereas number of B equals to 0. Is 1 equals to 0 multiplication 2? No. Suppose take this example. Here number of C equals to 1, 2, 3 and number of B equals to 1, 2. Is 3 equals to 2 multiplication 2? No. So option D is wrong. Number of C in W is not equals to number of B in W multiplication 2. So from the options, option A is false, option D is false, whereas option B and option C are true. Number of A in W is greater than number of C in W minus 2 and number of C in W equals to number of B in W plus 1. So answer is option B and option C. I already discussed context-free grammar. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.